Welcome back to MRA Passive Income Playbook. If you're new here, we're thrilled to have you join us. Please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more content. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of passive income generation with AI, specifically focusing on ChatGPT. We'll be unveiling a step-by-step guide to help you leverage this powerful language model. From understanding its capabilities to marketing your product, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover how to turn ChatGPT into a passive income source. To begin, you need to understand what ChatGPT is and what it can do. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an AI-driven language model that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. It's like having a virtual wordsmith at your fingertips, capable of crafting everything from simple responses to intricate narratives. ChatGPT's capabilities are extensive. It can write essays, answer questions, tutor in various subjects, translate languages, and even generate creative content like poetry or song lyrics. But remember, it's not perfect. It doesn't understand context in the same way humans do and can sometimes produce incorrect or nonsensical responses. The potential use cases for ChatGPT are vast. You could leverage it for customer support, content creation, education, or even entertainment. The key is to identify a niche where this AI can provide value, be it solving a problem, enhancing productivity, or creating a unique user experience. With a good understanding of ChatGPT, you can identify where it can add value. Next, you need to select a niche where ChatGPT can provide benefits. Now, this is crucial. You need to align your choice with what ChatGPT is capable of. This alignment will help you provide maximum value to your users. So where can ChatGPT really shine? Well, consider industries that rely heavily on language processing. Content generation is an obvious choice. With ChatGPT, you can create a platform that generates high-quality written content like articles or product descriptions. Customer support is another area. Imagine a chatbot that can answer common questions or engage with users in a human-like manner. The education sector can benefit too, with AI tutors or e-learning platforms that use ChatGPT to provide explanations or assist with learning. Bear in mind, your chosen niche should not just have potential, but also resonate with your own interests and expertise. Once you've selected your niche, you're ready to develop your product or service. Now comes the exciting part: creating and monetizing your product or service. Let's dive into the vast ocean of opportunities that ChatGPT and similar AI-powered language models offer. The first step is to develop a product or service that leverages the capabilities of these models. You could build a chatbot that provides customer support, answers common questions, or keeps users engaged. Or perhaps a platform that generates high-quality written content, such as articles, product descriptions, or promotional materials. You might even consider developing an AI tutor or an e-learning platform that provides explanations, answers questions, or assists with learning. Even writing and editing tools that use ChatGPT to help users improve their content are a great option. Once you've developed your product or service, it's time to think about monetization. There are several models you could consider. A subscription model, for instance, where you charge users a monthly or annual fee to access your AI-powered service. Or you could opt for a pay-per-use model, where users pay for the resources they consume. A freemium model is also a viable option. In this case, you would offer a basic version of your service for free and charge for premium features or additional usage. Keep in mind that the best monetization model for your product or service will depend on your specific circumstances, including your target audience, the value you're providing, and your operational costs. It's essential to strike a balance between maximizing your revenue and providing value to your users. But remember, it's not enough just to create a product and set a price. You also need to deliver on your promises and ensure that your product or service is reliable and well-maintained. This means addressing user feedback and issues promptly. It also means continuously improving your AI-powered service by fine-tuning the model, enhancing the user experience, and adding new features. With a monetized product or service, you're on your way to generating passive income. Scene script. Having a product isn't enough. You need to market it, provide support, and constantly improve it. In the digital age, marketing is key. A well-crafted marketing strategy can attract users to your AI-powered product or service. Utilize the powers of content marketing, social media, and search engine optimization. Use these platforms to highlight the value your product delivers, demonstrate how it solves a problem or meets a need. Remember, your marketing message should resonate with your target users. But marketing is just the tip of the iceberg. Once you've attracted users, you need to keep them. This is where customer support comes in. Make sure your product or service is reliable and well-maintained. Be responsive to user feedback and address issues promptly. A satisfied customer not only sticks around but also becomes an advocate, spreading the word and bringing in more users. Finally, let's talk about refinement and optimization. The tech world is ever evolving, and so should your product. Continuously improve your AI service by fine-tuning the model, enhancing user experience, and adding new features. Stay updated with AI developments and trends in your chosen niche. This will not only help you remain competitive, but also ensure that your product continues to serve your users well. By ensuring your product is marketed well, supported, and constantly improved, you can maximize your passive income. Creating a passive income source with ChatGPT is a journey that requires a blend of technical skills, business acumen, and understanding of user needs. We've explored the steps to get started, from understanding the capabilities of ChatGPT to developing, monetizing, and marketing your product or service. We've also stressed the importance of providing support and maintenance, refining and optimizing your offering, and complying with regulations. However, your journey doesn't end here. As the world of AI continues to evolve at a rapid pace, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest developments and trends. This will not only help you stay competitive, but also open up new opportunities for innovation and growth. Moreover, consider diversifying your income sources. This could involve launching additional AI-powered products or services, licensing your technology, or seeking strategic partnerships. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but a guide to help you explore possibilities. So go ahead, embark on your journey of generating passive income with ChatGPT.